Are you ready? Stay right there. You ready for Easter egg hunting? Okay, go get the eggs. Go get the eggs. Put it in your Easter egg basket. Yay! You see some more? Whoa! Whoa! Wow, look at all the Easter eggs you're getting. You see any more? Where's
the eggs?
Oh, there. You see the... Whoa! Whoa! You see them?
Whoa!
You see any more? Whoa! Where else? Whoa, you got some eggs, huh? Whoa! Look at her go! Look at her go! Wow! Wow, you already got a lot of eggs there, huh? Where else? Wow! Where else? Wow. You running out of room, you need a bigger basket. Maybe you might want to get some of those eggs out. You should have about 24 eggs. Whoa! Look by the shoes. You see any by the shoes? Whoa! Where else? Whoa, you got that egg, huh? Oh, one more.
Get more.
How about over here, Pipa? Over there. By the window. Whoa, you got it?
Wow.
Where else?
There, baby. You see that?
Any more eggs? You see any more eggs?
You see any more eggs? There.
You get it? You see it?
There, baby. See that?
Whoa, you got it?
Wow.
Wow.
Right here, be back. Look.
Then on the trees.
Wow.
Yeah. Is that it? Wow, you got a lot of eggs.
Come on.
That's it. Whoa, she's got a lot of eggs. Whoa. Look at her. You got some candy there.
Open. Open. Surprise.
Wow. Good job, baby. Happy Easter. That was Pipa's first time Easter egg hunting. Awesome.